If you pay careful attention, you'll notice the funny kayak dogs and she lived happily shirt. But in the next scene, he has 14 eyelashes. This tells you that it all happened in a dog's dream. But also, since the wind was west-northwest, it symbolizes that a boy in a coma dreamed it up while viewing a snow globe. I've wanted to do this with game worlds like in Elder Scrolls, including main buildings. The trick is to get the models out of the games. But it's been done. I want to do a 3D map like this of Middle-earth for years, but I still don't know how I should do it. Funny kayak dogs and she lived happily shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. I have enough reference maps in my collection, but I don't know if I can 3D print it. Use laser cutter for wood. Funny kayak dogs and she lived happily shirt. But I suppose it's hard to find someone who does that, and which is other products.